Hello girls, good morning. Welcome back to the today class on the topic classification of Cyclostomata. Okay, girls, yesterday we have discussed about the general characters of the Cyclostomata. Hope you all understood. If you are not understood the Cyclostomata, what is meant by Cyclostomata, just please go through my last class on the Cyclostomata general characters. Okay. So here the classification of Cyclostomata in the yesterday general characters we discussed, and also we discussed the important examples that petromyzon and mixin, right? So here the simple classification of the Cyclostomata we are going to discuss now. So now this single class Cyclostomata divided into two orders. One is petromyzontia and second order is mixinoidea. Okay, so girls, here listen. This petromyzontia organisms come under this petromyzontia. All organisms are commonly called as lampreys. Lampreys, it is actually derived from the Latin word, okay, lamptera. Okay, lamptera. Okay, lamp means it's a word derived from the Latin word. Lamp means, wait here, to lick. Okay, lamp, to lick. Terra means stone. So this is the word which is derived from the Latin. Okay, so lampreys. All the organisms come under petromyzontia are commonly called as lampreys. Okay, so these lampreys lick means something. They these are suctorial, no, they are sucking type, no, so they lick the food. Okay, so that's why they are called lampreys. So lampreys are included in this order. Here we discuss the Cyclostomata. Why the name has given cyclo means circular, stoma means mouth, circular mouth. Okay, so they have circular mouth that leads to buccal funnel. Okay, so that buccal funnel is suctorial type and which shows some horny teeth. Okay, so here the petromyzons or lampreys have eyes that are functional. Okay, coming to the next, they have 7 pairs of gill slits. Okay, they have 7 pairs of gill slits. Okay, these gill slits present along either side of the pharynx, so that's why we call pharyngeal gill slits. Okay, which is the important chordate character. Next, if we discuss the next point, a well developed dorsal fin is present. Okay, so these lampreys on the dorsal side, dorsal means what? Upper side. Okay, ventral means lower. Okay, so that on the dorsal side we can find a fin. Okay, by which it can flow in the water. Okay, so using this dorsal fin they can easily swim, and they have only dorsal fin itself and caudal fins, not ventral. Okay, next, brain is well developed. Brain is well developed. So in these organisms brain is well developed. Next, what the example we can give? Petromyzon. Okay, so commonly called as sea lampreys. Okay, so this is the diagram I have drawn. The lamprey, okay, petromyzon, they have eye which is functional and gill slits, pharyngeal gill slits are present, and they have slime glands also. Okay, and they have dorsal fin, first and second dorsal fin, they have caudal fin also. Okay, so this is a lamprey fish like animal. Okay, here if we discuss another order, mixinoidea. Okay, so this mixinoidea includes hagfishes. Hag means something it related to the monster like. Okay, it looks like monster. Okay, so that's why we call hagfishes or slime eels, because these mixin organisms. Okay, mixinoidea order includes mixins. Okay, so example is mixin, that mixin organisms will produce slime, so that's why we can also call them as slime organisms. Slime eels, eel like body, no, so that's why slime producing an eel like body, so called slime eels. Okay, so these organisms doesn't have buccal funnel. Here the petromyzons have buccal funnel which is a suctorial type. Here no buccal funnel. Okay, so eyes are vestigial organs in this. Here the eyes are functional and eyes are vestigial organs. Okay, but they have a pineal eye okay, which is somewhat reduced. Here next, dorsal fin is absent or small. Okay, so the dorsal fin is absent or very small. Here the dorsal fin will be present. Okay, first dorsal fin, second dorsal fin will be present in this Petromyzon, but here no dorsal fin. If it is there, it will be very small. Okay, next, brain is primitive type. Okay, here brain is well developed, and but here brain is primitive type, but it carries the ancestral brain. Okay, so here pineal eye is reduced. Okay, I have said, eyes are present but they are vestigial organs, but pineal eye is reduced in condition. Okay, so hagfishes are marine. Okay, so all these Myxinoidea organisms, the organisms come under Myxinoidea order, will be living in marine itself, only in marine water. Coming to the Petromyzon, all organisms, all lamprey organisms will live in fresh water as well as in marine water. Okay, so here example, Myxin glutinosa is the best example for the Myxinoidea order. Here Petromyzons, which are commonly called as sea lampreys. Okay, so this is the diagram I have shown you. Okay, so this is the Myxin, which have tentacles surrounded by mouth, eye, which is a vestigial organ, and pharyngeal gill slits. Okay, so this is the Myxin and this is the Petromyzon, which are best example for the Cyclostomata. Okay, so this is the classification of Cyclostomata, which is very simple and easy. Please note down the points, which is very important for the exam point of view. Okay, so hope you all understood this simple classification of Cyclostomata. Thank you.